Hi and welcome everybody to a new video on Valentine's Photo Paradise. Today I will be showing you how to load film into a Rollei Prego Micron. This model is the same as the Ricoh R1 or R1s. So if you have one of those cameras, just follow along. It's pretty easy. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open the back. To do that, we're gonna pull down this little lever right here. The back just pops right open. And then I'm gonna take my spool of film, which I'm gonna be shooting. It's gonna be Ilford FP4 for me. And then just put it in right here. So you have a little bit of the tip of the film is right on here. Close it. And sorry for the cut, guys. I was really confused for a second. I thought my camera was broken, but then I started to use my brain and actually read up on the manual, and basically this camera transports the entire film until the end. So then it's gonna show you how many exposures you have left. The LED is a little bit burned out on my one. It's a problem that most of these cameras have, unfortunately. But basically, the way I loaded the film was correct. The way that everything worked was just fine. I was just tripping out for a second. So yeah, one more function I want to show you quickly, because it's kind of related to loading film, is this little button right here. So you have to take a pointy object and press it in case you want to rewind the film before it's finished. When the film is finished, the camera is going to automatically rewind it. But if you feel like maybe switching the film stock you're shooting or switching to color from black and white or the other way around, this little button right here is going to be your friend. You just push it with a pointy object and it's going to start the rewind process. So yeah, that's it. That's how you load film into a Rollei Prego Micron or a Ricoh R1 or R1s. I hope you enjoyed. This is the beautiful little camera. Really looking forward to shooting a roll through it, and then I'll see if I'm gonna keep it or let it go. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day, everybody. Stay tuned for more. Subscribe to the channel and take care. Have a good one. Thanks for watching.